The expectation of the Jewish leaders. Here we see Jesus started spreading the message of God by traveling around Palestine with his followers. Wherever he went, he nursed, he healed the sick and the infirm through his divine powers. So his message of equality, love and service to one another attracted a huge number of people towards him. So it was always against the wish or the expectation of the Jewish people. They expected a Messiah who will deliver them from the Roman Empire and just by that get hold of power and wealth. But Jesus Christ was not interested in rebellion against Rome. He wanted to bring people more closer to God. So the teachings of Jesus was based on love. So the people, the Jewish leaders turned against Jesus. That led to the crucifixion of Jesus. He was crucified. He died on the cross in Golgotha. But with his death, the teachings didn't end. As the Christians believe, Jesus Christ was risen from the tomb on the third day. That is called the resurrection of Jesus. So, in the medieval period, the religion spread, the Christian religion spread most parts of Europe, and after the age of discovery, they spread rapidly to other parts of the world. So, the Christian religion originated in Judea, recent Israel. After the death of Jesus Christ, the chief person on whom the religion was based on, but the religion spread after his death. Especially the followers set out or spread his teachings in different parts of the world for the next few decades. So, it originated in the Eastern Mediterranean region, grew in size and influence.